Hi students, today we are going to discuss post adjustment. This is chapter 1, partnership fundamental post adjustment. That meaning, after closing the final accounts of partnership firm, some errors and omissions in the accounts earlier year was found. Now that error you are going to rectify. These errors and omissions are rectified by adjusting partner's capital account. In last year, you discussed something errors and omission. The following steps to rectify this error. Step 1, prepare an analytical table. I will show that analytical table how you are going to prepare. Second one, income or gain of partners mentioned in credit side of partners capital account and mention debit side of firm's account, that is interest on capital, salary, commission, etc. So this concept is one person expenses is another person income. Firm point of view, interest on capital, salary, commission, addition, loss or expenses for the business. At the same time, partner point of view, it is income. Next, third, expenses or losses of partners mentioned in debit side of partners capital account and mentioned in credit side of the firm account. For example, interest on drawing, it is an loss for the partners. At the same time, it is income for the business. So, interest on drawing mentioned debit side of analytical table under the partners capital account and mention in credit side of firm's account. Then step 4, find out the balance of columns and disclose the net profit or net loss. Fifth one, distribute the profit or loss among the partners. Sixth one, find the balance of each partner separately. The debit balance of one partner, same amount for other partner's credit balance. Then step 7, write the journal. Now we will do exercise. So practical exercise, question number 59, page number 1.90. Raya, Mona and Nisha are sharing profit in the ratio 3:2:1. The profit for last 3 years were 1,40,000, 84,000, 106,000 respectively. These profit were mistakenly shared equally all the 3 years. It now decided to correct the error. So what error made by that accountant? They are given in profit sharing ratio 3:2:1, but last 3 years profit they are equally distributed. Past rectification journal entry. Now, so first we need to prepare analytical table. This is the analytical table. First box particulars, second box Raya's capital, debit and credit, third box Mona's capital, debit credit, fourth box Nisha's capital, debit credit, fifth box firm's account, debit and credit. So first wrongly distributed amount, that means that 3 years profit total 3,30,000. First year 1,40,000, second year 84,000, third year 100, third year 1,06,000. So total 3,30,000. So that 3,30,000 first mention in firm's credit side because already distributed. Now you are going to rectify that mistake. So withdraw back that profit. So you are mentioning credit side. At the same time, equally distributed for Raya's capital debit side, you have to mention 1,10,000, Mona's capital debit side 1,10,000, Nisha's capital 1,10,000 mentioned in debit side. Why the equal amount we are distributed? That is the mistaken amount we are debited now. Then now actual profit, how much? 3 years profit 3,30,000. Now you are going to distribute based on that profit sharing ratio. Then how you are going to calculate profit for each partners? Then working note, calculation of profit should be distributed Reyes profit, total profit into her share. So 3,30,000 into 3 by 6, Mona's capital 3,30,000 into 2 by 6, Nisa's capital 3,30,000 into 1 by 6. So 1,65,000, 1,10,000, 1,55,000. Now you are credited respective partners account. In firm's account you have to debited 3,30,000. See, Reyes capital 1,65,000 credited, Mona's capital 1,10,000 credited, Nisa's capital 55,000 credited, firm's account 3,30,000 debited. Then now close the account. For Reyes, debit balance 1,10,000, credit balance 1,65,000, Mona's 1,10,000, debit balance, credit balance 1,10,000, Nisa's capital 1,10,000 debit balance, 55,000 credit balance. Firm's account both debit and credit balance 3,30,000. Now find the difference amount. Mona's capital and firm's capital nil balance. At the same time, Reyes capital 55,000, that is excess amount credited. At the same time, Nisa's capital 55,000 debited. That means excessively we are credited, already credited 1,10,000 for Nisa. Now you are debited. Actual profit 55,000 only we have to distribute. So Nisa's capital mentioned debited 55,000 and Reyes capital actual profit 1,65,000. We already distributed 1,10,000. Again remaining balance 55,000 you are going to credit. So the final answer, journal entry, Nisa's capital account debit 55,000, Reyes capital account credit 55,000. Narration, being profit wrongly credited, now rectify that mistake. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do at least 5 exercises.